Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to send money using a Revtag in the Revolut application. So it is super fast and easy. You just have to launch your Revolut mobile application just like so. And here you need to click on the option of transfer. On the next page, you will see this plus icon with new tab in the top right hand corner. So over here, you will also see this search bar. So here you need to provide the Revtag of that particular person to whom you want to send the money. After typing their Revtag, their profile will show up just like this one. So you need to simply click on their profile. If you find that the Revtag and their information is not showing up here, so you need to simply add them by tapping on this plus icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now after clicking on their profile, this type of message or this dialog box will be opened in front of you, where in the top right hand corner you will see their profile. Now over here, press the send button in the bottom, and then it will show you your recipient's details like their account number, swift code, email address, etc. So here you need to enter the amount that you want to send, and you need to simply review those details and confirm your transaction. Once your transaction is completed, you will see this type of box again, where you will see that you have sent this much amount of money to this person. So this is how you can send money instantly on Revolut using Revtag. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more Revolut tips. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.